Hello everyone. Welcome to our video series on deploying the Bold BI application in a Linux environment. In the last video, we saw how to set up the environment in Ubuntu Linux using Apache server. Please watch that video first if you have not yet. It's linked in this video's description. In this video, we will show you the steps to install Bold BI in a Linux environment using Apache server and how to configure SSL for a secure connection. First, I log into my Bold BI account. If you do not have an account, you can start a 15-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button on the website. Once logged in, I am directed to my dashboard. I select Downloads in the Downloads section and expand Linux. I copy the setup download link from the account site. To download the setup file, I run this command. This will download the package. Once the download is complete, the Bold BI package is extracted using this command. I change the current directory to the extracted folder using this command. Now let's install the dashboard server by running this command. Here, I'm deploying the dashboard server using the IP address. Next, it will ask for confirmation to install the Bold Data Hub in the server. I enter yes, and the deployment continues. Now Bold BI is deployed. I open the browser and search for the IP address to start the dashboard server. Here you will see the dashboard server is hosted with a not secure environment. To set up the dashboard server with a domain, I need to configure the SSL information for a secure connection. Before configuring it, make sure you have a registered domain and map the public IP with it. I open the Bold BI Apache config file inside the etc/Apache 2/sites available in the Nano editor. I uncomment the commented lines in the file. We can then add the domain name that we have mapped to the public IP address. Since I've mapped my public IP to linuxdemo.boldbi.com, I have added it here. I also specify the SSL certificate and SSL certificate key path in the required lines, and save the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, Shift+Y, and Enter. I test the syntax of the configuration file using this command. If everything is correct, we should see a message saying Syntax OK. I restart the configuration file using this command. Now, in the browser, I open the dashboard server with the domain name. You can see the dashboard server loads with the domain name in secure mode. To learn more about installing optional libraries and application startup, watch our previous videos in this video series linked in this video's description. With that, we have successfully deployed and installed the Bold BI application in Ubuntu Linux using Apache server. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.